Hello friends, my name is Shivam from DevOps Schools and I will help you to enable your learning process in various technologies of DevOps, artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data and many more. This is our initiative to help you by sharing multiple tutorials and videos. And if you want any specific tutorials or any particular topic, then please do comment in the below comment section and I will help you with it. Also, please subscribe to our premium services on YouTube, which will give you access to more content and videos to enhance your knowledge about all these topics. Also, if you want me to help you with regards to the online trainings and classroom sessions by our qualified trainers, then please do write me at contact@devopsschool.com. Thank you.
Let me save this. I think it's getting crashed a little bit. I'm opening up once again. Open up. OK. Open up a new project, an existing project, DevOps School. Maybe you have to save, and if you feel it get lost again, you can open up. This will fix that issue. Why this is. I'm deleting all this thing manually, guys. I think this one. That's all. OK. Now start. Should be very simple, but small issues coming. Let me try full URL itself. I'm saving. Run it. Let me open up one more time. It's crashing. That's nothing happening actually. It's not able to. I think I need to close the browser. Just a second, guys. Give me 2 seconds. Let me save before that. It's getting crashed. Selenium. Open up a Selenium. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's, instead of complicated page, let's make this page simple. Static content. Here, this is the content. This is the second scenario. Simple. And do you have content title in one go? I want to show you. So here, what is the title in this assessors? What is this assessors? So title is title is pretty long actually. Or any other page. Let me find out. Do we have any other page? Just again, I'm finding one another page which has a less complexity. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. So page URL would be this one, and I want to validate this as a title. So let's do that. So quickly create create a new project, dev, click OK, and start the recording. So here, start the recording for this one. What is the base URL? So I want to give the base URL this one. This is much cleaner. Start the recording. OK. This trying to open that page actually. Firefox. Okay, let's do one thing. Change this. Best last scenario, google.com. What do you want to do? Search the DevOps school. Enter. Search this one and this one. Only this validation quickly because I don't want to waste time logging and all. New ticket, Google, click start, base URL. Same thing again, no steps changes. Start recording. Now it started, recording is started. I'm searching for it. DevOps school. Click here. I click on the website. Okay. And this is the record, like from the google.com. Are you able to reach to this website or not? Okay. And after that, assertions, I'll do that manually. Okay. I don't want to confuse you. But one more thing, assessors, you want to see that here. So if you click on the assessors, right click, and you see here assessors. These are the assessors. Okay, so you can see the assert. All this is assessors are there. Everything is being stored. Okay, so you want to verify something. So let's add this assessors only. So I want to verify. I want to I want to verify this. I'm closing this. This also recorded. I want to verify in this page, welcome to DevOps school is there or not. I selected, right click, add. What do you want? Assert. Which one you want? Text, title, what exactly? Text, and done. Okay. As assessor, I have added. Now what I'm going to do, stop this. So guys, hopefully this time it should not be having any problem. So guys, here, look at this here, very simple. Open all this thing you do, click on this searches here, somewhere DevOps school searches here, and assessors here. Look at this, assert text. So can we run here? Run. Why it's crashing? Actually, it's crashing. Some problem is there in my browser of. I need to check. Huh?
Break for lunch and then
Just a second. Yeah, we have 8 minutes. Just a second. Hold on. Yeah, it worked this time. See, google.com. I'm typing DevOps school. DevOps school. Now it will click on the DevOps school. Now it will validate whether the welcome to DevOps school is there or not. It will validate and done. And closing, I have not clicked, so it will not do that closing. So here, now look at this here. In the log reference. See here. Still the test is going on. See here. Did you get this opening google.com? Yes. Okay. Did you set the size of this browser? Did you click on the name? Okay. Name field. Did you type the DevOps school? Okay. Did you click on the enter? Okay. Did you click on the ultimately that the first entry of this? Okay. This is the spacing actually div. This you click close. Okay. This is a head and this is the validation. Welcome to DevOps school. Now I'll do this. See, assertion is there, and in this they are able to find welcome to DevOps school. But what I'll do, I'll just play a trick. 7777. I'm adding it. Okay. And now you see that this text is not available in that particular page, so it should fail. That assertion should fail. Everything should pass, but assertion should fail. So can you rerun one more time? Let me close this here. I'm getting irritation from this. Okay, one more time. Excuse me. Okay, so I'm starting one more time. Google.com, DevOps school. Click on the DevOpsSchool.com. Did you find the welcome to DevOps school 7777? Let's check it out. Assertion is validating. Selenium test cases usually our browser based is little slow, but again, now let's go here and check the results of this. Okay, see here. Look at this last one. If you can see the last section of the log, look at this failed. See here. Did you understand that now how to do that? So this testing is failed. That means everything is was able to open, but welcome to DevOps school 7777 is not found. That means this testing is failed. Did you understand that, guys? Now?
Yes.
Okay, now one more time I'll run because this I'm doing this. I'll correct it this time. Welcome to DevOps school. It should be there. Test. Okay, run. What, man? again, wait a second, stop, test, here, run. Again, it got problem. Now it's taken. Google.com, DevOps School. This time it should pass. DevOpsSchool.com. And done. So this kind of issue what you are facing right now, if you are using driver, it will not be, you will not be having anything. So now let's minimize this and let's check it out. Look at the last line, step number 7, log is trying to find out the text. There's a pop-up actually on the website. It's trying to close that btn close. And now you see successful. So this test is successful. So this is the way we do the testing through the IDs, and then we keep writing the test cases. So here I wrote one test cases. You can keep writing more test cases, and this is the same way. So for each URL and get it done. Did you understand that, guys? This flow?
Yes.
Okay, one more notice I did. Probably you have to when you don't see that the test case is running, so you have to stop it, go to the test, and one more thing, you have to sometime you have to close the browser if it's not working. So that's the only thing which we can do. Typically, we don't do this kind of testing through ID. We learn through IDs. The generator Celanese convert into the coding. I'll show you that. I'll teach you that one, and then we run through the web driver. So that is how we do that.
Please enroll our general membership for $399 plan to get access of all the parts.
Along with that, you can access our other tutorials such as Docker, Ansible, Jenkins, Terraform, Splunk, AWS, Azure, and various other DevOps related premium tutorials with our channel membership. If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopsschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the $399 plan and grow your skills immensely. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Thanks for watching.